Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Ayers. This is week 1 discussion for history 1500 and before, and we were asked to discuss what role did environmental change play in the rise of agriculture. Agriculture played a huge role in developmental of civilization in the Neolithic period. There is an article that talked about when the world changed from a hunter-gatherer world to an agriculture one. That was a big time, obviously, to change that whole mindset in people. During the Ice Age, that did play also a big role in the rise of agriculture. During that period, of course, there were very few things that could grow because of the cold temperatures. In world history, culture, states, and societies to 1500, they talk about when there was a warming trend in the Holocene period where there became regular rainfall in a lot of the areas, which gave consistency in order for people to grow crops, in turn, grow different agricultural crops. The more the people realize this, and the potential of agriculture as a sustainable form of food, the more people started planting and basing a lot of growth of where they lived on the richest soil and where they could grow crops the best to maximize their yields. The population of Sumner was a great example of this. In the rise of civilizations, they talked about when creating the civilizations, they based the crops on where the richest soil was at the base of the mountains. The priests and kings of that area organized farmers to build complex irrigation systems, which allowed the crops to bloom and ultimately create a surplus, allowing people to find other things to do other than hunt and gather. This stuff was actually very interesting. I never really cared about it, to be honest, but yeah, it was very educational. So I'm excited to see what we're going to be learning next week, and talk to y'all then. Thanks.